The South Dakota State University Local Foods Education Center is a novel approach to addressing food security in South Dakota. The 1.2-acre outdoor classroom is located on the northern edge of the SDSU campus. It is fully dedicated to student and public teaching and learning, emphasizing hands-on field experience with small-scale food production and distribution practices, ecosystem sustainability, and consumer access to a safe and stable food supply. Students who use the center learn organic and conventional production techniques in a habitat that supports bees and butterflies. By using comparative growing methodologies, the Local Foods Education Center teaches students and area producers the value of decreasing traditional growing space while increasing food production, nutritional value, and creating sustainable ecosystems. The center uses high tunnel production, raised beds, aquaponics and hydroponics, trellis growing, and many other growing methods. As future growers learn valuable new skills in small-scale agriculture at the Local Foods Education Center, the community benefits with over 5 tons of produce going to people in need in the Brookings community and surrounding communities annually.